Most people will never hear this truth. But once you do, you'll never see yourself the same way again. You've told yourself this time will be different. You were excited, motivated, ready to go all in. Maybe it was a new habit, a new skill, a new goal, but somewhere along the way something happened. The excitement faded, the motivation disappeared, and once again, you quit. You tell yourself you'll come back to it, but deep down you know the pattern. You start things, but you never finish them. And here's the truth. If you don't fix this, it won't just affect your goals, it will define your entire life. But there's a way out. And by the time you reach the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break the cycle. Let's begin. The first reason you don't finish what you start, you rely on motivation. Motivation is a liar. It makes you feel unstoppable in the beginning. It fills your head with dreams of success. But then, it disappears. The truth is, motivation was never meant to last. It's an emotion, not a strategy. And if you only work when you feel like it, you'll never build anything great. Think about it. How many times have you started something when you felt inspired only to abandon it the moment things got hard? If you want to finish what you start, you need to stop relying on how you feel and start relying on a system, a habit, a non-negotiable commitment. Because discipline isn't about pushing yourself to extremes. It's about doing the work, even on the days when everything inside you screams to stop. The second reason, you chase perfection instead of progress. You tell yourself you need to plan more, you need more research, you need the perfect moment. But the truth is, you're just afraid. Afraid of failing, afraid of looking stupid, afraid of realizing you're not as good as you thought you'd be. So you wait, and you tweak, and you tell yourself it's not ready yet. But the reality? The perfect moment will never come. The perfect plan will never exist. The only way forward is to start messy and improve along the way. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to take action right now, not tomorrow, not someday, now. The third reason, you don't have real stakes. When quitting is easy, you will quit. Think about the last time you really committed to something, the last time failure wasn't an option. Maybe it was a deadline at work, maybe it was a promise you made to someone you couldn't let down. You finished it because you had to. So if you want to break the cycle, you need to raise the stakes. Make it harder to quit. Tell someone about your goal. Put money on the line. Give yourself a real deadline. Because when failure comes with consequences, you stop making excuses. But here's the real truth. You don't finish what you start because deep down, you don't fully believe in yourself. You start with hope, but the moment things get tough, that voice in your head tells you, "See, I knew you'd fail." And every time you quit, you reinforce that belief. You prove to yourself that you can't follow through. But that's a lie, a story you've been telling yourself for too long. And the only way to break it is to prove yourself wrong. So start small, pick one thing, one goal, one task, and finish it, no matter what. Because every time you finish, you rewrite the story. You build momentum. You remind yourself that you can do this. And before you know it, you'll be unstoppable. If this message hit you, like this video so more people can see it. Comment below. What's one thing you're committing to finish? And if you're ready to break the cycle for good, subscribe for more videos that push you to grow. Because the only way to change is to start.